up, everybody? All Pro Exterior Services here with another house wash and driveway. See, we got a nice spread here, stucco, so it's going to take a little bit stronger mix, not much. Got a little bit of green behind this tree. We're also going to hit this driveway. We had a little bit of gutter stuff to do in the back. We already knocked that out. Took us a few minutes. Not too bad. We do have a windy day, so we got to be cognizant of that. Be cognizant of your surroundings when you shoot and bleach. A high wind, because if you get it on everybody else's windows and everything, you got to be careful of that. Show you the peaks and stuff here. So you can see all the peaks here. Shouldn't be a problem hitting it with the AR. We got some growth here at the bottom. Again, it's good to do a documentation of your properties. You can see we got green here. Take your before and after photos. Green on the gutters. And let's see what else we got. Got some little clay staining here. The back patio, they're getting redone. So we got an upper deck here. Let me show you guys. You got the upper deck here. We weren't paid to come out and do these gutters. They just had a little section back here which they had some green that she wanted it out. And then all this gutter. We got construction workers over here. What up? So anyway, we'll catch up in a minute. Peace. Alright guys, we just wetting this down a little bit. It's a little hot side, but as you can tell, we got a lot of wind here, so we're gonna wait on the wind and wet my brick down a little bit. Tony's on property protection. We already got the gutter thing done. Get my AC unit, of course. Let me hit this switch on for the soap. Switch is on. Switch is on. So we're basically just going to hit this side for now. There's a newly stained front door, which, you know, stained doors and bleach really don't get along too well. But we're going to go ahead and spray it down with some water as I'm washing around it. That's usually what we do. If it's something I'm skeptical of, I won't. In fact, this door I probably won't use bleach around the little foyer area. I'll probably just come in with some just some water. So, waiting on some, there you go, got some soap. So we'll hit this. Remember, that high wind, you got to be cognizant of your surroundings. This is going to be an annual. We're going to convert them like we do everything else. Getting that little gutter cut good. See the dirt here. Get behind that gutter too. Make sure you get behind that gutter. A lot of people don't do that. But we all pro, we get it done. Because the wind is good. A lot of people complain over here with the green windows. And I get it. It's the climate we live in, baby. So the wind stop. Let me hit this first. So the wind stop. For a minute. You got to take advantage of that weather. So I'm getting a little bleach on you guys. Part of the bleach life, baby. Okay, got it all the way up to there. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this too. Being efficient, baby, that's what it's about. And I'm gonna soak this. You can see here, look, we got some stingy here. I'm gonna soak this lower area right here. See how this reacts. Let it marinate. Yeah, we try to, you know, get in and out of a house in an efficient amount. When I say being efficient, I don't mean cutting corners. I mean having the right tools to do the right job and maximize your productivity. And what we doing, guys? It's looking good. As you can tell, we got a nice, beautiful Japanese maple right here in the front of the house. So we're gonna be cognizant of that and all these other little bushes. So don't get excited. So I'm gonna spray, and I got Tony over here. He was doing a driveway, so I yanked him off the driveway with the ball valve just to kind of help spray this down, especially this door. Now I already went around here with water, and I told the customer that's all I'm doing. All of that stuff came off anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and go around it with bleach, but I want Tony here. All right, Anthony, look, get right here, and then I need you to spray the door and that Japanese maple right here. Let me wait till I get soaked. Oh. You'll be getting soap here in a second. And I'm gonna let it sit over here because if you can tell behind that I already soaked all these plants too, so there we go, got soap. But back here they got all kind of green stuff. There you go, nice coat of that. Nice coat. It's working out well, this mix on this stucco. Now let me back up. Alright, you ready? We'll go around here. Catch that door for me, Tony. Alright. Let me get over here. Alright. Ready? You see where I'm hitting the maple?
Yeah.
Spray that maple right there. Alright guys, I think I got some stuff on me. Okay. Alright Tony, I'm gonna spray it from this side. Gotta hit this side too. Hot side right here. Right, we spraying it down, baby. Yeah, and all that stuff came off from where that stucco was, that bleach, I hit it earlier. Gonna hit it again real quick. Right here was all nasty. Get behind here, good. Hold on. Let me get on this side. Come over here. Ready? You got to get in those, you see behind those gutters? Not you, but I'm talking. That's right. Get him, Tony. All right, Tony.
I don't want to double.
All right, guys, on the third side of this house. Already rinsed it and washed it, so we're good. Gutters came out nice. Make sure you get in between those gutters, like right here. Looking good. All right, this is my favorite part right here. We're gonna see. Okay, so I got the SH. Just so you know, if anybody's running the system I'm running, it's on 5. I think it's on 5. And I got the and I got the water all the way open and soap on 5. So I want to do a test spot. I'm gonna do this side over here for you first. So let me show you. See all this green on the stucco? This is just for reference, FYI. FYI, my people. FYI, my people. So hit soap on. Soap on. Hit it a couple times. We're gonna see how this reacts with that green stuff with the 5%. Well, I say 5%. It's on number 5. I don't know what percentage that is. I'm thinking that's a 1.5 to 2. With the water wide open, of course. We ended up double feeding just because Tony's surface cleaning. Anthony. Okay, we got soap. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and hit this. Oh, nasty. Get behind those speakers. Our property protection guy. Skimping, he's skimping. But over there in the front, I had some of that green. Came right off, no problem. So let's just go ahead over here. Look at that green on that window. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna try to hit over here. Can't really hardly see much, but it's okay. Hey, y'all get it, baby. Not only is it good, and it's got a little wind to it, so we gotta be cognizant of that. But it's looking good. You know, hit those peaks. You see, you get enough on there to cover that stucco. And again, be cognizant of where your bleach is going. If you get that wall good. There you go. Got it coming clean. Gonna hit this side. This is why I like the roof pump, so you can up that concentration when you get to that stucco. When I was downstreaming, I couldn't do that. I had to break out a 12 volt and about 8 ladders. Look at that. But not no more. I had one question. Guy asked me why I choose the AR45 over the 60. No particular reason. Well, if I have a reason, it's because I know some of you guys follow Leon Johns, and he said he tried the 60 once and he didn't really have much luck with it. So that's my reason I'm sticking to it. But who knows what the future holds? This is all pro. We may end up getting AR100, AR100, the all pro version. How about that? We go to my cousins in Italy, and we can come up with something. How nasty that is. That's what keeps us in business, baby. Thank you for letting me get nasty and calling me. All right, now we're gonna hit this patio. I'm letting that soak on this stucco. So let me just go ahead and hit it. I can hit most of it from right here. The beauty about this AR, man, you can get it kind of a distance. You can do this with an 8 gallon a minute too. I don't know. Sometimes the 8 even gives you a little bit more knockdown power, so sometimes you need that, you know. Let's go ahead and get the back side of this. Get where you can here. Soap it down, baby. Gotta be careful around here, man. Get this sign over here. Don't forget that sign. Okay, let's get back over to our business. Oh yeah, look, coming off, no problem. Make these windows double. Double whammy, baby. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the soap off now. So by the time I'm done with these windows, my line will be clean. I had a customer the other day we did a job for. She's like, oh geez, what you do with your windows? Because they're so sparkling. I'm like, oh, it's proprietary. It's proprietary. That's no charge. A little lanyard, a little something extra we call it in New Orleans. See, dirt divers. I have a problem with dirt divers, guys. So if anybody can, one guy said degreaser. I tried that. It didn't work too well for me, at least. So I don't know if anybody else got a suggestion for dirt divers. Now I just rinse it out and let it marinate for a minute. Make these gutters real quick. Yeah, dirt divers, man, they a pain, and I preface every customer, if it's on stucco especially, I say, look, if that dirt diver's been on there entirely too long, you're gonna have some staining into the paint. I get most of it off, but I don't promise nothing. Okay, let's hit this area. The wind's picking up, baby. And see that nest up there? We're gonna get up there and get it. That's what we do. See, I missed the spot too. Wetting that down good. Okay. Hit this. Look at that gutter, came out nice. I would bet dollars of donuts and speakers don't work. But who knows? So anyway, all right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish rinsing this back. Tony be wrapping up. We'll be done. Hour later, moving on, baby. I was back at the house, wrapped it up. When got everything done, had I think 3 or 4 today. Got a couple film, but yeah, what we had on bleach, about 35 gallons. Not too bad, not too bad. Had a good day. Last customer, dude was a brain surgeon. Anyway, very excited about that. Send me a review, put me on the annual. I'm like, I got you. Don't worry about that. This is all pro. The all pro annual. That's what we like. All pro annual, baby. So anyway, we wrapped it up. Appreciate your likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Peace.